Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start with the Maths paper 1 first chapter, linear equation in two variables. So linear equations in two variable is defined like this: the equation containing two variables whose degree is 1. A degree of each term in the linear equation is 1, and the general form of this linear equation is x plus dy plus c is equal to 0. So here degree of each term is 1, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a is non-zero, not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and x and y are these two variables. Now, linear equations in two variables can be solved in different methods. So in this chapter, we are going to study how to solve linear equation in two variables simultaneously, first method, second graphical methods, and third Cramer's rule. And at last, we will see how to solve them by substitution method. Okay. Now we will solve simultaneous equations. Practice set 1.1, question number 2, first example. First equation is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. And second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now here these two equations are in the variable a and b. Now you have to eliminate any one variable. So here if you see the second variable b, both are 5b plus 5b plus 5b. So if you subtract these two equations, then we can eliminate this b. So subtract, when you subtract, the signs of second equation will change. So this plus 5 will become minus 5, your plus a will become minus a, and plus 22 will become minus 22. So here subtract equation 2 from equation first. So 3a minus a is equal to 2a. This plus 5b minus 5b will get cancelled, is equal to 26 minus 22 is equal to 4. So next step, 2a is equal to 4, therefore here 2 is multiplication, so it will jump that side, it will get divided, 4 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, therefore a is equal to 2. It's the value of a. Now put this value of a in equation 1. So put a is equal to 2 in equation first. So first equation is your 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Now 3 into a is equal to 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. 2 3s are 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. So therefore 5b is equal to 26 minus 6. Therefore 5b is equal to 26 minus 6 is equal to 20. Now here also therefore 5b means 5 into b, so it will jump there, it will get divided. So 20 upon 5. Therefore b is equal to 4. At last write down the solution set. Here the variables are a and b. So solution set is equal to a comma b, which is equal to 2 comma 4. Okay. Take down this new notebook. 1.1. Question number first. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. So first equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, equation number 2. Here there is a printing mistake, so change this, cancel this plus and write here minus 3y. Now let us add these two equations. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, first equation number 1, plus 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, equation number 2. Now 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. Plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. Therefore next step, here 7 into x is there, so 7 will get divided. Divide this 21 upon 7. So 7 ones are 7 3s are, so x is equal to 3. Put this x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So 5x, x is equal to 3, 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. Therefore this 3y is equal to, this 5 3s are 15. So this will jump, 15 will jump, it will become minus 15. Plus 15 will become minus 15. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Difference we should take. Difference between these two numbers is 6. Sign of a greater number is minus. So it is minus 6. So 3y is minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. So y equal to minus 2. So solution is x comma y, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. 1.1 question number 2, fifth example. Now if you observe this example, then here the coefficient of y is 2 and here it is 5. So to eliminate this y, we have to make the coefficient same of this second variable. So multiply equation first by 5 and equation second by 2. When you multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation second by 2, then the equation will transform like this: 5 into 5, 25x, plus 5 2s are 10y, plus 5 3s are minus 3, so it is minus 15. This is your equation number 3. And 2 into x, second equation, multiply by 2, 2 into x is 2x, plus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 4 2s are 8. Now your equations variable is same. So subtract, sign is same, so subtract the equation like previous example. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So 25 minus 2 will be 23x, plus 10 minus 10y will get cancelled, minus 15 and minus 8 both are negative, so the sign will remain same, minus addition will be 23. So therefore x will be equal to minus 23 upon 23, therefore x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Put this value of x in equation number, put x is equal put x is equal to minus 1 in equation first. So your equation first is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. So put x at the place of x, put minus 1 plus 2y is equal to minus 3 minus 5 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus 2y is equal to minus 3. So 2y is equal to minus 3 plus 5. This minus 5 will jump on right hand side, it will become plus 5. So therefore 2y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore y is equal to, and write the solution set, x comma y, which is equal to, x is minus 1 and y is